designers say each project is equally special and exciting, but this one is truly special for me because we were designing it for my parents. The design of this home is an amalgamation of my aesthetics and their taste. We tried to give them a contemporary home with a few Indian accents in the art and overall styling. We also chose to play with a lot of soothing hues and texture where color was added only in the upholstery on a very neutral palette. The project was ongoing during the pandemic, so we consciously designed it to be a very comforting space with a lot of pockets to relax and unwind. What excited us the most about the outcome of this project is that by tucking away a dining table to a corner, we managed to incorporate a swing. This allowed the living room to have the most loved seating area of the home. It ended up becoming the best area of respite. It also allowed the living room to seem a lot larger, and it enhanced the linearity of it. This decision led to very happy homeowners who transitioned very beautifully from a bungalow to an apartment. The home is big on functionality and aesthetic value because it was meant to cater to the needs of a couple moving from a large bungalow to a typical Mumbai apartment. The idea was to maximize every nook and corner and incorporate just the right amount of release space, using earthy materials for the contemporary Indian home, yet retaining an understated opulence. Storage is every Mumbaikar's key requirement, and it was tucked away in concealed drawers wherever possible, such as the poster bed and the dining bench. Design to me is creating spaces with unique experiences. As humans, we invest in things only because of how they make us feel, and that's what design is all about. Great design inspires the right set of emotions, especially in the context of homes. This is the most important element because at the end of the day, you only want to come back to a happy feeling. The apartment is a 1500 square feet 3 BHK. It is located in a newly constructed building in the suburb of Santa Cruz West in Mumbai. It is surrounded by a lot of buildings and is on a higher floor with a very distant sea view, which made it all the more important to enhance the interior experience and bring in a lot of green plants to enhance it. What's interesting about the location of the building is that it's an iconic building in the area, known for its cascading windows on the facade. It's a corner plot, so it's not obstructed by a lot of adjoining buildings, where the main bedrooms and living room have large west-facing windows. These bring in abundant natural light to a point where the shears have to be permanently drawn. This allows the space to seem a lot larger, and we chose colors and textures that would look soothing in stark sunlight, giving it a very summery vibe almost throughout the year. We chose a very bold but rooted color scheme for the home. The sand-colored brush-painted walls give a vibrant, airy vibe during the day and act as the perfect backdrop to a very moody, dimly lit, relaxing space by night. The use of natural materials like teak and jute enhance the earthiness of the home. We chose artwork, furniture, and upholstery to add a very progressive transition into color, trying to balance the peppy and somber. Our favorite area of design in this home is the guest bedroom. We had the most fun designing the space because it's inspired by a trip to Pondicherry. The poster bed and cement tiles bring back really fond memories of the beautiful design language of the townscape of White Town, whose French colonial estates, the leafy streets, and cobbled pathways always bring a sense of happiness and calm. As we evolve, our homes should evolve too, is a quote that I truly believe in. Every home should be a work in progress where you can layer it with more curios from your travels, and you should be able to add more art, personalize it really slowly, and keep weaving a story around your memories over the years.